I'm Gunjan Verma. You are here today in the Indian Embassy kitchen. This is the house of the Indian ambassador here in Japan. So now we are going to cook pulao rice. So now what we have here on our plate is chicken korma curry, and we have pulao rice, which is a very simple rice. A little spices are used in it. So my chef Shashi is going to show it to you. So the pan is hot now. He's going to add ghee, which is clarified butter. We let it melt. So he's adding cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and bay leaf. This is half a cup of sliced onion. So now you see that the onion is brown. We make it very brown so that it imparts a nice color to the rice. This is basmati rice. So the rice that he has put in it, it's washed and then we soak it in water for 10 minutes and then we drain it and let it dry completely and then we use it. So now he's frying it a little bit. So now he's putting cumin seeds. So cumin seeds. This is carom seeds. And dried red chili. Little salt. So we'll fry it for a little time. The rice dries a little bit more and becomes firm. So when you cook it, then every rice it's not stuck together, it's separate. We fry it on slow fire because if we put it on high, then the rice burns easily. So on slow fire. So it is done now, the frying is done. So he's going to transfer it to the rice cooker. We use the pressure cooker also to make rice. In India, generally people don't use the rice cooker. Here it's easier, so we use the rice cooker. When we fry it, you will see that there are little white pieces around. That means that it's fried well. If we use 1 cup of rice, we put 2 cups of water. You use the double amount of water. So basmati rice has to be very fluffy. It should not be sticky. So he's mixing. You can see the grains have become very long. So now what we have here on our plate is chicken korma curry and we have pulao rice. The chicken korma curry is a yogurt and cashew nut based curry. So it's not very spicy, it's mild and it's very creamy. And the pulao rice has many ingredients, like it has caraway seeds and it has cumin seeds which help in digestion. So we always put it in pulao rice. So because we feel that this food is a little heavy, that has cashew in it and all. So the spices in the rice helps it for good digestion. How is it?
Very creamy. Spices, of course, are there. Very distinct taste of cashew paste in this. This is very full of flavors. It also has a bit of clarified butter, which gives it the kind of aroma and taste. And it's all basmati rice. So long grain rice, they don't stick together. The mouth gets full very easily with this kind of rice.
So I would recommend that you please try this curry at home. It's very flavorful.